Picture this. You just started your hair business and you're super excited. You drop 5 grand on hair bundles thinking they're going to fly off the shelves. But months later, half of them are still sitting in your living room, judging you like, sis, why are we still here? Sound familiar? If the thought of upfront costs and unsold inventory gives you nightmares, then maybe dropshipping is for you. Let's dive into whether dropshipping hair is the better route for your business, or if you're ready to go all in with inventory on hand. Hey, I'm Mikey, and I'm here to help you grow your hair business without losing your sanity or your savings. If you're just starting out, you probably heard about dropshipping, but aren't sure if it's right for you. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of dropshipping versus holding inventory so you can make the best decision for your business. Let's get started with the basics. Dropshipping is when you sell the hair, but your supplier handles everything, including inventory, packing, and shipping. It's like being the middleman. You focus on marketing and sales, while on-hand inventory is when you buy the hair upfront, store it yourself, and ship it directly to your customers. You control everything, but also carry all the risks. Think of it like dating. Dropshipping is the casual, no commitment situationship, while inventory is the full-on marriage. You're in it for the long haul. Dropshipping sounds like a dream for new entrepreneurs, and here's why. You don't need to spend thousands on hair that might not sell. This is huge when you're starting out because high quality human hair is expensive and you're still figuring out what your customers actually want. For example, instead of buying 50 bundles of body wave, you can offer a variety of styles through your dropshipping supplier without spending a dime up front. Next, entrepreneurs love the low risk associated with dropshipping. No inventory means no leftover stock. If a style doesn't sell, you're not stuck wondering how to offload 10 lace wigs in slime green, unless that's your niche. Also, dropshipping gives you the flexibility when testing products. You can test different lengths, textures, and wig styles to see what sells best without committing to large orders. I'm sure you've heard of the saying, time is money. Well, dropshipping is a time saver for sure. Let your supplier handle the packing and shipping while you focus on the marketing, content creation, and building relationships with your customers. Here's a pro tip. The Dropship Beauty app for Shopify makes dropshipping a breeze. They handle everything from inventory management to shipping so you can focus on growing your brand. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. Of course, no business model is perfect. Here are some potential downsides to dropshipping hair. First is lower profit margins. Since you're paying for the convenience of having someone else handle fulfillment, your profit margins might be slimmer compared to buying wholesale. For example, if a bundle costs you $50 wholesale, it might cost you $55 when dropshipping. But hey, it's the price you pay for convenience. Next, you will have less control over quality and shipping. You're relying on the supplier to ship high quality hair on time. A delay or a bad batch, that's on your supplier, but your customers will blame you. Because to your customer, you are Beyonce, Amazon Prime, and Oprah rolled into one. Yep, the expectations are high. One more thing to consider is the branding limitations. Some dropshipping suppliers don't allow custom packaging, which can limit how you present your brand. Always check what branding options are available. And yes, the Dropship Beauty app, which I mentioned earlier, allows you to store your branding with them to apply it to your bundles and wigs. Now, let's talk about keeping inventory. It's not for everyone, but it has some clear benefits if you're ready to commit. You buy wholesale, you control your prices and make more per sale. That's why many experienced sellers eventually shift to holding inventory. For example, if you buy a bundle for $50 wholesale and sell it for $100, that's a $50 profit versus maybe $40 with dropshipping. Another reason is that you have full control over the quality. You can inspect every bundle or wig before shipping it out, ensuring your customers only get the best. Of course, we know that even if a bundle or wig looks great at the time of shipping, things can go downhill when a customer starts trying to color it or overstyle it. And finally, sometimes faster shipping. With inventory on hand, you can ship orders quickly, sometimes same day. Fast shipping equals happy customers equals repeat buyers. If you choose a dropshipper from China, you should expect continual shipping complications. However, there are risks involved with keeping inventory, especially for beginners. You need to invest a lot upfront to buy hair in bulk, which can be a financial burden if you don't have a solid customer base yet. Consider buying wholesale hair from trusted suppliers like Private Label Wholesale, which doesn't require you to make a large initial purchase. That might help. For example, imagine spending $3,000 on straight bundles only to realize your customers prefer deep wave. Ouch! Buying wholesale hair also leaves you at risk of unsold stock. Simply put, if a product doesn't sell, you're stuck with it. Styles and trends can change fast in the hair industry. In 2023, everybody was talking about textured tape and extensions. In 2024, not so much. Things change and you'll need to stay ahead of the trends. You need to also ask yourself, do you have space to store 100 bundles and wigs? Are you ready to become a shipping guru, printing labels and running to the post office daily? Your living room might start looking like a FedEx warehouse, and that's not cute. So, which one should you choose? Here's the bottom line. Go with dropshipping if you're just starting out, don't want upfront costs, and need flexibility while you learn the market. Switch to inventory once you've built a loyal customer base, know what sells, and have the budget to invest in wholesale. And if you want me to make a video about a hybrid dropship and wholesale strategy, make sure you let me know in the comments below. At the end of the day, the best option depends on your goals and lifestyle. Dropshipping gives you flexibility while keeping inventory gives you control. So, what's your move? Comment below if you are team dropshipping or team inventory, and don't forget to check out the Dropship Beauty app on Shopify to start dropshipping today. And subscribe for more hair business tips and check out my other videos to level up your business.